today is Tuesday, December 2nd. Oh, and we just found out Tuesdays at Blue Ridge Co-op, it's senior, veterans, and military folk discount day. So we have just purchased the fencing to stop Floppy Tank from crossing the creek and not going to their property, crossing the original farmhouse on past those trees over to Eric Bruton's. So I have cleared a path to get rid of the kudzu and moving the fence not in the middle of the creek, to the side of the creek, but figuring out this mess here where the previous goats who were eating the kudzu were getting into this area, this mess. So that's what's occurring over the next couple weeks. And thankfully, I have a grandmother that is volunteering her time. And me. And God. Oh, there's a little frog smiling. And Ammon and Peggy Lee are kicking up their heels and supervising.